What's up, everyone? I am really happy to be here, and I'm so excited. And that's why you see this giant box, almost tall as me. Okay, so I'm really excited. I feel a little bit sick today, and decide not to go to work. So let's go. Let's go dig it in. Good protection. There is. Hey, I got a gift. I got a gift. Oh, some candy. Alright, this is the most exciting. Let's take a look at that. See? The Starburns. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Yeah. This is the bag. Very nice bag. Okay, since you guys see this bag, you already know which guitar, except the model. Which model, guys? Wow. Okay. Before opening, I'm gonna take a look in the bag, see if anything. Oh, all the tools, and it's spray in here. Oh, all the tools here. Very nice. I'm gonna fit it here. Wow, what's in the envelope? Oh. Okay, this is the quality control checklist, just to make sure everything is was checked and marked. Please excuse me with that. I'm gonna put my hand. See if anything. All right. Okay. The final. Let's take a look at. See. I'm nervous right now. Okay. I'm gonna close my eye. Okay, I'm ready to see. Whoa! Okay, guys, do you see this? I know I apologize for my camera. I use GoPro. Quality might not be the best, but just kind of try it best. I see. Okay, this guitar is a Plenine signature model. You probably see the logo in here. Some guitar doesn't have a logo, but this is very first guitar of his signature. Look in the back. Oh my gosh, this guitar is look crazy. This is insane. And the back here, it looks plain. It looks very traditional finish. But this guitar, man, I can't wait. I can't wait to check the sound. Let me check anything. Okay, so this is the handless guitar. How do I able to tuning? Oh, in the back here. Yeah, so that's right there. Okay. 1, 2, so 3 bridge position, neck pick, and the middle, and the bridge. Oh yeah. Let's take a look. Back here. Okay. Now this guitar I don't know how many pounds, probably. See. Oh my goodness, I feel good already. What else I can say? I mean, this guitar is looks sexy, very modern and exciting. The neck, it looks very cool. Like it's probably well, guys, this is all I have for now, and I am excited, and I can't wait to try this, and I thank you for your support and encouragement, and for those who has been subscribed to my channel. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you very much for doing that. For those who has not see my video, if you also feel free to subscribe as an encouragement. If you cannot emote, it's not a problem. But if you emote, it, I'm grateful from you all. But please be patient, and I can't wait to test it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, take care.